guys, hey girls, what's up boys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I went to Bath and Body Works yesterday and just completely, I guess, lost my mind, you would say. I don't know, didn't get as many as I've seen other people have gotten, but yeah, I did go to Bath and Body Works yesterday and I had to take advantage of the sale. I mean, it's like you have to with as good as the sale usually is, like, you have to take advantage of these sales because the candles are typically what, $24, $24.50, and then they go on sale to $9.50. I mean, you can't help but take advantage of the sale. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, my haul, and what candles that I got. I kind of got a lot of different candles that I've never usually get or have never had, so this would be interesting. But they all smell good. So I'm going to quit rambling and I'm going to jump right into this video. All right, so the first candle that I'm going to show you guys is Twisted Peppermint. I've had this before and I absolutely love anything that's peppermint. Like, the smell that it gives off is so nice. So basically it's cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla buttercream. I think that's why I like it so much, is because of the vanilla buttercream. Anything vanilla, I'm a fan of. So yes, fresh balsam, hint of musk with essential oils. So that's just, if you guys have not tried Twisted Peppermint, then you need to reevaluate your candle stash. Alright, so the next candle that I got is, of course, I had to grab Marshmallow Fireside. This is definitely one of my favorite holiday scents. I mean, I think it's around all year round, but during the holidays, this is one of my favorite scents to burn. I would burn this all year round just because I love the scent, and I'm sure this is one of the exclusive ones that everybody knows what Marshmallow Fireside smells like. It's sweet, it's subtle, but it smells so good when it's burning, and it makes your house smell so good. So if you're not familiar, it's toasted marshmallows, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber with essential oils. And I just had to get this one because I love the packaging on this. Like, look at the packaging on this one. Like, I've never seen this packaging. I usually get the one with the clear and it has some little like polar bears and stuff on it or whatever, but I thought this packaging was so cute, so I definitely had to get this one. Alrighty guys, so the next candle is going to be cinnamon spiced vanilla. I'm not sure. I feel like I've had this scent before. I don't know if it was at a candle or a wallflower, but I feel like this sounds so familiar, but maybe it was just something else with cinnamon in it. But I thought, like, I mean, one, it's beautiful. Like, I know it's basic, but I like basic stuff, and I think the packaging is beautiful. Whenever it comes to the holiday season, anything that's toasted or warm or vanilla or cinnamon, like, I just love it. Like, it smells so good. And you can definitely smell the cinnamon in this. So this one is basically fresh ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, Tahitian vanilla bean with essential oils. Like I said, anything with vanilla, I love. So yeah. All right, so the next scent is a candle that I've never tried before. I've never tried Mahogany Coconut. It's by the White Barn brand. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, I thought the packaging was super cute on this. Like, I just loved it. But I've never tried this scent before. So when I smelled it, I was like, oh, smells very, very nice. So it's not your, like my, you know, like the last couple was like a vanilla cinnamon, like warm. This is more tropical, I guess you would say, but has a hint of, like, you know, the warm tones. It's a Mahogany Coconut, so it's basically creamy coconut, mahogany woods, English lavender with essential oils. Like, it smells, this is a new one that I'm really excited to try that I had to pick up. So, along with Mahogany Coconut, I had to get Mahogany Teak Wood. I haven't had this one in a while. This is an oldie, but this is a goodie. If you all know, if you love the scent of a man, then you know what Mahogany Teak Wood is. So, of course, I had to pick this one up. I actually got this from my brother because he loves this scent. So, I'm going to be giving this one to him. And the packaging is so masculine. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. Another reason I got it because these packagings are so cute. I've never seen these. I'm definitely going to be giving this to him. But I love mahogany teak wood myself. I will burn this all day because, of course, we know we love the man scent. But it's rich mahogany, black teak wood, dark oak, frosted lavender with essential oils. So, yes. So my next one is going to be Midnight Blue Citrus. And this is another candle that I have never, or scent that I've never tried before, which I smelt it in the store. I'm just going to give you guys a quick backstory. So I went into my Bath and Body Works and the line was so long. It was like literally wrapped around the store. So we were at one point, we literally had to go all across the store just to get to the front, back to the front of the store, to the line. So, I mean, you literally could have went in there, got in line, and shopped while you were in line because this line literally went all across the store. So, as I was in line, I went to go in there to get 3 to 4 candles, y'all. I ended up with 10. Yeah, 10. But yeah, I literally got to the end of the line. I had my 3 to 4 candles, and as I was walking through the store, waiting in line, I'm just sniffing and looking at more candles, and this is the result of that. This is one of the results. This one and Mahogany Coconut, the one I just showed you. This is a nice, clean, fresh scent. It's juicy citrus, fresh spring water, sweet mango with essential oils. That sweet mango, I think, is what got me because I love anything mango. It just smells so nice and fruity and sweet. Also, in that packaging, it kind of looks like the mahogany tea or mahogany coconut, but it's blue. But yeah, this is a new one that I'm excited to burn. So yeah, the next candle I got was Give Thanks. And what attracted me to this candle was the packaging and just the give thanks. I mean, I give thanks to my Lord every day just for waking me up every morning. So when I saw Give Thanks, I was just like, yes, this is great. I feel like it spoke to me and it just really meant something to me. And then the packaging was super cute. I mean, look at it. But not only does it look good, Give Thanks smells so good. I don't think I've ever tried this before, but it smells so familiar because it has a cinnamon smell to it. So it's sweet. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna say, so the candle says Give Thanks, but under here it says Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. And I'm just like, wait, is this the same? Like, is this the right packaging? But yeah, I finally see down here it says Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. But yeah, it's warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream, which is my fave, and brown sugar with essential oils. So, just the mixture of that, you can only imagine. But I think it's just the collection, Give Thanks. But it's really sweet cinnamon pumpkin. So, yes. All right, guys. Another oldie but goodie is Winter Candy Apple. And I just had to get this one because, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm having to fix my hair. It smells so nice and so citrusy and fruity. And, like, it just smells like the holidays. It's just, you know, like some of those scents, it just smells like the holidays. If you know, you know. The next one that I got was Peach Bellini, and we all know about Peach Bellini. It's another one of those staples. I haven't had this candle in so long, but I saw it and I was like, you know what? Let me just get it. This is like some juice or some candy or something. I just really, literally like want to just lick this candle. Like, look how pretty it is too. Like, it's like a pink. I don't know if you see that. Yeah, it's like a pink color, but it looks and smells so good. And the packaging is just too cute on it. But yeah, this is another oldie but goodie, Peach Bellini. Because I think I remember having this, but it was orange. It was like an orange tangerine looking color. But they kind of made the color a little bit different. But Peach Bellini is succulent white peach, sparkling Prosecco, orange, sweet orange with essential oils. All right, guys. So my last candle that I got of the bunch was Merry Cookie. I just thought this was adorable. And I just wanted to top it off with another Christmas candle or Christmas scent. So I really like this. And if you know me, I really like the sweet scent. I'm just a sweet type of girl, you know. And it just smells like sugar cookie. Like, it just smells like Christmas. Cookie with the little sprinkles on it. And basically, it's fresh baked cookies, of course. Sparkling sugar crystals, rich vanilla with essential oils. to die for. The rich vanilla. Like I'm a vanilla. I just love vanilla. But yes, this is the last but not least candle that I got, and I just cannot wait for my house to smell like vanilla, like all Christmas long. So I am excited. But all right, guys, so that was my Bath and Body Works candle haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or if you just want to share with me some of the candles that you got on this sale, just leave it down below in the comments. I definitely will respond to you and get back to you on that. But this video is so exciting. I'm always so super excited to do these videos. And I'm even more excited to burn these candles. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.